Allegations coming out of the Premier's office are both surprising and concerning.
Alberta Premier Danielle Smith maintains she has not interfered with the justice system, but now allegations her staff emailed Crown prosecutors in relation to a specific case.
This raises concerns of interference, political interference, into what we call prosecutorial discretion.
The Premier's office not denying the report by the CBC about emails from a staffer specifically relating to charges around the Coutts border blockade. Allegations City News has not been able to independently verify. But in a statement, a spokesperson saying while Premier Smith had no knowledge of this, it's a serious allegation. If a staff member has been in touch, appropriate action will be taken. Legal experts say even the appearance of political interference erodes trust in an independent justice system.
And justice cannot be fairly done if the prosecution is driven by something other than the rule of law and is driven by political or personal interest.
In a statement, the Alberta Crown Prosecution Services says neither the prosecutor on the Coutts file or the Assistant Deputy Minister have any recollection of receiving any emails from the Premier's office. Not answering our questions regarding an internal investigation, saying without seeing the emails in question, no further comment can be provided.
That is completely inappropriate, and it's creating chaos in people's understanding of the rule of law and democracy in Alberta.
The calls for an independent investigation by the opposition NDP echoed by defense attorneys.
Those findings need to be made public, and then whatever those findings may be, whether further action is necessary, it will depend on those findings. But we need to figure out exactly what happened because there's too much back and forth right now.
There is recent precedence for this. A third-party review found former Justice Minister Casey Madhu politically interfered when using his position to call the Edmonton police chief about a traffic ticket. At the time, Premier Kenney demoted Madhu, and he was recently promoted to Deputy Premier under Smith.
So right now, we're not sure what to believe because we had, as I said, previous clips of Smith claiming that she was calling Crown prosecutors. Then we had a denial.
This month, Smith was forced to walk back promises she made after being elected to pardon those with COVID-19 related charges, noting it would go against the independence of our system, and claims she misspoke when telling reporters she spoke to Crown prosecutors. Neither the Justice Minister or the Premier's office responded to City News' request for comment on how trust would be regained or an independent investigation. In Edmonton, Carly Robinson, City News.